Morning, I'm Omero Tiat, owner of Tron Logistics.
Tron Logistics was established in August 2014. Next month we will be on the go for 9 years, and we specialize in the courier and express freight business.
We chose the new FAW, tested all of the marking leaders' vehicles in the industry. I think the biggest thing that helped us make our decision is the fuel consumption of the new FAW. The service plan and the maintenance plan was absolutely awesome on that.
The features of the FAW that was appealing to us is that the parabolic suspension system doesn't work on airbags, works on the parabolic system. The fuel consumption is better, the 12-gear automatic gearbox. The truck just ticks all the boxes we need, and the price point of the vehicle is exceptional. The performance of the JH6500 is obviously it's got a 500 horsepower motor, 12-gear automatic gearbox, and the return on investment on the fuel consumption is what actually convinced us to go with the FAW JH6500.
I also think in the line haul industry, we drive 30,000 k's per month. It helps the drivers rest better, it's more peaceful for them in the cab, it's a much bigger cab. I think the features inside, the safety features for the drivers and what the whole brand presents, we're very happy with that.
So our maintenance plan is 1 year unlimited kilometers. The service intervals are every 40,000 kilometers. To date we've had 0 downtime. The reaction time from ELT is between 2 and 3 hours if there is an issue, and the problem gets sorted out immediately.
We will recommend the new FAW to all fleet owners. If you look at the price of the FAW compared to the competitors, the maintenance contract, the rand per kilometer on the maintenance plan, and the fuel consumption, it makes absolutely 100% sense for anybody, any competitor to use the new J6500.